Thank you for joining me. Welcome to TJ's Maths Clinic. Let's consider this word problems involving fraction question. The question reads, a man spent 1 over 3 of his salary on rent, 1 over 4 on food, and saves the rest. If he saves $400, what is his salary? What will be his salary? Very important. Uh, Basically, we can use two methods to solve this problem. I will be using part method of fraction to handle this question. Very important. Observe that 1 over 3 of his salary on rent, then 1 over 4 on food. The question did not say the remainder on food. So if the question did not say the remainder on food, the approach would be we have to find the common denominator. In other words, we have to find the LCM of 4 and 3. That's the first thing to do. So let's write down the solution. Relax, it's very easy, trust me. As I said, what the man spent on rent, we have the rent now. He spent 1 over 3. Then food, he spent 1 over 4. To find the lowest common multiple, let's list the multiples of 3. That will be 3, 6, 9, then 12. Let's list the multiple of 4. That will be 4, 8, 12. You can see that they have the common denominator of what? 12. Very important. Okay? So, if you observe this fraction, this denominator here, to get 12 here, we multiply this by 4, then multiply this by 4. It means we'll have the original fraction now will be 1 times 4, that is 4, 3 times 4, 12. This was the original fraction that was spent on rent. We do the same here. We multiply this by 3, we'll get 12. Then we'll have to do the same to the numerator. Multiply it by 3 as well. So 1 times 3 is 3, divided by 4 times 3, of course, is 12. Very important. So it means that man's salary was divided into 12 parts. That's what it means, this 12. So it means to get that fractional part, let's draw our parts like this and divide it into 12 and see what we are going to get. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here, 8, 9, 10, 11, then 12. 11, then 12. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is the part of the fraction. It means this on rent now, 4 out of that 12 was spent on rent. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is for rent. Very important. Then for food, 3. So we count 3. This will be 1, 2, 3. So this was what was spent on food. This is for food. Then the question now says if he saves $400, what is his salary? So to find his salary now, we count the remaining. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest now, the rest is 5. The rest here, the rest 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The rest is what? The rest is what? Is 5. So, and this 5 is out of 12. Very important. So, to find what he spent on each part here, we divide this $400 by 5. So, on each part here now, it will be each part now. Each part, let me take it here. Each part will be, we can say each part it will be $400 divided by this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we divide this 5 here 1, 5 here is 8. That will be $80. So he spent $8 on each part. It means here will be $8, here too will be $8, here too will be $8, the same to here, 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 the same to as this, the same to as this part, then the same to as this part. So what is his salary? To find his salary, we sum this or we multiply this 80 by 12 because there are 12 parts here. We can either sum 80 plus 80 in 12 places or we multiply 80 by what? 12. Very important. So we can conclude that the man's salary now, the man's salary will now be equals to 12 multiplied by $80. Very important. What are we going to get? 12 multiplied by $80. That's 80 times 12. We'll get $960. $960. So this will be the salary of this man. As I say, this is what we call part method. Part what? Method of solving fraction. We can use the normal method and we still arrive at this answer. So this is said to be the solution to this question. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.